Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a crypto COM Visa card. First, download the crypto COM app on your mobile device and complete the necessary identity verification process. Once your account is verified, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency, like US dollars, into your crypto COM wallet. After funding, simply open the app and locate the card tab at the bottom of your screen to begin. To unlock most crypto COM Visa card benefits, you must stake a specific amount of CRO tokens for a period of 180 days. There are various card tiers available, each requiring a different amount of CRO to be staked. Generally, higher tiers offer more attractive rewards, such as increased cashback percentages and additional perks like subscription rebates. Take some time to review the available tiers and their associated staking requirements to find the best fit for your needs. Once you've decided on a card tier and have the required CRO staked, you can proceed with the application. In the card section of the app, select your chosen tier. You will then be prompted to confirm your shipping address and other personal details. Double-check all information for accuracy before submitting your application. Crypto COM will then review your submission, and you will be notified of its status. After your application is approved, Crypto COM will issue your virtual card immediately, which you can use for online purchases. Your physical card will then be mailed to your confirmed address. Upon receiving your physical card, activate it directly within the Crypto COM app. With your card active, you can start enjoying the benefits, including cashback rewards on eligible purchases and other exclusive perks associated with your chosen card tier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.